How to fix suspended Instagram account. So if your Instagram account has been suspended, you must have discovered that it is difficult to appeal or request to appeal. So that's why I'm actually making this video, to show you guys the whole process. So guys, let's dive right into the video. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. It really helps. So right here is what you're going to see once your Instagram account gets suspended. So looking right here, your account might get suspended if you violated their community guidance, or let's say maybe your account was hijacked or was hacked by someone. That is when you're going to receive notification like this. So right here, in order for you to fix this, at the bottom you can see where it says disagree with decision. You can go ahead and click on that and explain to them the reason why your account should not be suspended, and you're going to actually check your reason and get your account back for you if possible. So if this is not the case and you are not seeing this notification, then you need to watch this video. So right here, if that is not the case, looking right here on your device, you need to go to your Instagram app like this and click on your profile icon. Now if you're not seeing that notification on yours, you simply need to go ahead and click on the three-line icon found at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that like this, you need to scroll to the bottom and click on this place where you can see help. So once you click on that, looking here, you'd be able to see where it says account status. So you need to go ahead and click on that. Now if you violated any of this, you are going to see the cancel icon showing that you violated any of this. So let's say your content was removed or you are having a messaging issue. You can go ahead and click on that and you'll be able to see the option where you can appeal to this. Likewise, if you violated any of this, you can go ahead and click on any of them and you'd be able to appeal. So if that is not the case, you can simply go to your web browser like this and search for Instagram Help Center. So when you search for that like this, so right here, once you search for it like this, at the top right corner you can see the search button. So you need to go ahead and click on that and search for my account was suspended. So once you search for that like this, looking there you can see where it says why your Instagram account is disabled. So you can go ahead and click on that like this. So looking here, it says if you think your Instagram account was disabled by mistake, you may be able to ask us to review the decision by opening the app, entering your username. And now looking here as well, it says if your account was deleted by you or someone with your password, then there is no way to restore it. But if that is not the case, you can go right here and click on visit this page. You can see that option right here. So once you click on that, you need to go ahead and input your username and request to appeal, and with that you'd be able to appeal and get your Instagram account back. So these are the simple steps you can actually take in order to get your Instagram account back. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.